the tattoo parlor. That's the same tattoo parlor you're talking about?
Yeah, I think we're okay.
Oh, yeah.
What's this? Pardon me? We came out of there, didn't we?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, we go back this way.
Now, like I said, next time there's a way to get through downtown Holbrook, and I see the trail at Route 130.
Uh-huh.
Just got to get through Holbrook. I think you follow Route 51. And that's the beginning of that trail that goes to Forest Junction.
Goes all the way down, yeah. Oh, if you want to do it
Yeah.
You guys have Mondays and Wednesdays.
Monday, what? You don't know, do you?
Well, I go to school at night on Mondays.
Are you working at all?
No, no.
Oh, I thought you were working at Lake Central.
I just quit in May.
Oh.
Because now all my classes are up.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I'm probably going to end up renewing my self-license pretty soon.
Uh-huh. That's a good thing to do. Yeah, that's the thing. How many are you taking? 2? Ooh, that's a lot of work. Uh-oh. No, we're not going the right way. Let's go back that way. Let's see here. I'm going to get off here. I think actually, I think